Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Do you recognize this flower? Yes, this is the chrysanthemum flower. It is a herbaceous perennial winter flower plant. While a keen gardener must have already planted the cuttings in early July, which will now be ready to be transplanted into pots. Others who do not have their mother's stock should visit nurseries to purchase the seedlings. This is our last year's mother plant. My mom is only doing some cuttings of these plants. Rainy season is the best time to prepare for this winter flower, but it is highly sensitive to waterlogging. For a few days there has been a lot of rain in Delhi. So for that reason, these chrysanthemum plants are in very bad condition. So if you have a chrysanthemum plant, make sure to keep them in a shaded area. Always check the drainage holes. And at last, only water your plants if the topsoil is dry. After taking all these steps, our plant's condition is like this. Right now our goal is to make this plant healthy and bushy. You all know for lateral branching, pinching is the best process. You have to do repeated pinching till November. You may all know what is pinching, but for those who don't know, my mom will still show you. The removal of the growing point of a shoot along with few leaves which are thumb and index is known as pinching. It is a simple process, but it is the best for growing lateral branching. Another tip is to rotate your pot every alternate days. You have to rotate it towards the sun. It helps your plant to become bushy and gives your plant a round shape-like structure. Clay pots of size 10 to 12 inches are generally used for planting. Plant 3 to 5 plants of standard variety in one pot. It is mandatory to rotate pots every 2 to 3 days for a uniform flowering as well. But for planting, my mom used 8 inches pots, so you can also use 8 inches pot as well. Chrysanthemum is quite prone to diseases, therefore the pot mixture must be prepared during peak summer and be solar sterilized. Chrysanthemum is very sensitive to water. Therefore, irrigation should be done very carefully and totally on need basis. Strictly avoid overwatering and immediately drain excess of rainwater accumulated in pots. Excessive watering causes rotting of roots and yellowing of leaves. Check your plant if any of your leaves have any disease, dry leaves or yellow leaves. Remove those kinds of leaves immediately. Also remove all the lower leaves touching the soil. You can also use clean scissors to pinch your plant. Chrysanthemum plant is not a heavy feeder. But in this growing season, every plant needs a good amount of fertilizer. So before fertilizing, you must dig the soil. My mom gives only kitchen waste compost every 15 days interval. If you want to know how to make kitchen waste compost, go to our channel and search it up. You can get it very easily. Before, I had already told that chrysanthemum is prone to diseases. So you can spray bioenzyme solution or neem oil over the foliage. So let me tell you how to make it. In 1 liter of water, only add 5 ml of bioenzyme. If you want to know how to make bioenzyme, a lot of videos are already in our channel about this topic. So you can just watch those videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.